get shocked. Trying to check some oysters, but the oysters are expensive, so yep, I'm not getting the oyster. I'm just here to check what's here. But yeah, oysters expensive. I want cheese on them, or I want them bread. It's so windy right now. Look. Yep, BRUNY Islands. I don't know where we are, but I'm walking all the way up. See the stairs up there. So yeah, trying to walk up and just go to the lookout. Hopefully everything will be cool there. This is the neck. So this is what you call the neck. Hello. Still gonna go up. I'm tired. I can still go up.
Fuck na panasonic. Excuse me, Lar.
It's me again. I have a feeling there are penguins here, because you can see the holes from the ground. And yes, currently walking around the walkways of the neck at BRUNY Island. Oh, enjoy coming in here. Good weather. I want to fly the drone, but it's too windy and it's near the airport there. But I'll see what I can do later. If I can get a good spot, then I'll fly the drone. I hope I can show you how good the place is, and yeah, so that you enjoy everything.
Closer to the backseat of your Rover that I know you.
It's not recording.
Like the tattoo on your shoulder.
It is.
The mattress that you
Now it
stole. We ain't never getting older. Older. We ain't never getting older.
It's so techy. Grandpa with the phone.
We ain't never getting older.
I'm like,
The lady's looking at you.
Fly it to that view. You can see